Hello everyone, this is Eric Barrett with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management in San Francisco. Today I'm in front of the apartment condo, unit 410 at the Arden. So come on in, let me show you around. If you're not familiar with the Arden, this is a luxury condominium complex. It has an amazing amount of amenities, including 2-door staff, pool, weight room, fitness center, huge outdoor deck, and many other amenities that you can look at our website to see. Here we are. Let me just start in the living room area. So this is a big, expansive living room. Behind me is the kitchen, and again, so this can be configured multiple different ways. You can have an area for dining, eating, and then also for your TV. As you're looking out these beautiful windows here. Now, one of the really best features about this property is this deck. And so you can see right here, this is a very big deck. And you're looking out, and you're basically looking out to the ballpark. So you see the fireworks when they have those. You're looking at Mission Creek, and look, there's a swimmer out there right now. Of course, the Salesforce Tower. And then here is what is a very popular dog park. It's like, look at all the dogs. So if you're a dog lover and you like watching and looking at different kind of dogs, this is the place to be. And then there's a wonderful kids park right there in the center of the town square. It basically seems like a town square. So yeah, just a great little location to set up your lawn chairs and or patio furniture. All right, come on in. This is a luxury building. This is very high-end, double pane windows throughout. So when you close these windows, it really is very quiet. All right, let's go look at the kitchen. Gas range, microwave, hideaway, refrigerator, and then dishwasher, all high-end appliances, really deep sink. This is fun. Different people have used this for different situations. Some have used it for storage, some have used it for an office, a little breakfast area, or play area. They've used it for. Again, this is would be the primary bedroom. Tall ceilings. Here we are in the closet area. So again, there's no lack of storage space here. So lots of storage on either side for your clothes, hanging, and for folding. And then here is a bathroom. You have a nice soak tub here, shower, and looking around, you have a double vanity, little sink here. Big mirror, and really well lit. And again, lots of storage options below. All right, let's go out here. And so we're back in the living room, dining room area, kitchen. Let's look at the second bedroom. Now, the second bedroom is amazing because, again, you have this great big window, nice plush carpeted flooring. There is window treatments here too, so those are included, and you have a great view through that big window. But the best part is this huge closet. Look at the size of this thing; it's just gigantic. So lots of options for storage. Going out here, this is the foyer area that when we originally came through the front door. Washer and dryer. Guest bathroom, or a bathroom for that second bedroom, again with a soak tub. And then here, love this. Again, as you come in the foyer area, you can have your jackets, your shoes. This is such a wonderful place to store that. Okay, now let's exit the unit and go right across the street to the storage locker in the parking. So storage is right here. There's a big giant storage locker back there that's available for your use. And then the parking is right down the hall. This is so unusual to be able to have parking and storage so close to the condominium. Usually you have to walk down or go down the elevator, but here is convenient. So if you have groceries, you can just go out, and it's right here. And there is also electrical charging that's available at this unit. So again, this property makes it very, very convenient to park and store things. So if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call here at ReLISTO. The information to contact us is in the links below. We are showing on a regular basis, and this is April 2022. We anticipate this unit going pretty quickly because it's in high demand. The building is very, very sought after. But give us a call. We'd love to share it with you because we really do find that this is one of the most spectacular and amazing buildings and properties in San Francisco, and we look forward to sharing that with you. All right, thanks again, and thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye.